Hello everyone. So we have Holly here. She's gonna get in her box maybe.
We think maybe.
Maybe she's gonna get in her box. Hey, can you turn around?
Nobody wants that end.
Can you turn around?
That's just Jillian. Let it go.
Can you turn around here?
Hey, over here, Missy.
Hey, I need you to check some tickets.
Holly, check these
We
out.
got my favorites.
Look.
Ooh, look who's coming.
Hi, Jillian. People
Just
were asking for you,
passing
Jillian.
through.
Like a ship in the night.
That one's gonna.
Hey, over here.
Uh-oh.
No. Hey, that was me. I grabbed your tail.
Hey. Ooh, fun times. Hey, I got some. Whoa. I shouldn't do that now. I could lose a digit. I was gonna ask you if these were any good. Whoa. I think she's still playing with the
Scratcher.
scratcher. Wow, she's all wound up. She loves to play like that. She's gonna get that thing. She's gonna get it. All right, well, we got tickets, and they're my favorite, so I'm gonna start scratching.
She says, with what? I've got your scratcher.
Oh, yes. 2 tickets, different books, 18 and 49. We'll do 18 first.
Oh, yeah, these were different books. I grabbed them out of today.
But at least they're my favorite tickets.
They are.
Because I don't seem to be doing very well on the other tickets lately.
Whoa, there you go. She's down. It's down. It's still playing with the little hole in the side of the box, but it's down.
All right, we have little 2. 28. Ooh, 3.
All right.
2 and 3.
Those are good ones.
And an 8. Low numbers. And a lucky 13. And a 6. Wow, these are very low numbers.
They are.
2, 3, 6, 8, 13, 28.
All right.
Let's see what we've got.
So close.
I know, I thought it was a match right off the bat.
That would have been great.
26, no match.
You can get a
12.
coin, right, on this one?
Oh, yes, that's why these are my favorites, because we get coins on them, too.
Or a star. Get to winning a star once, 2 years ago.
Yeah.
10x with a star. Holly, leave her
We
alone.
got a 12 and a 14, no. We have a 13. Right in the middle. And we have the 6 and the 8, and there's the 7. 21. And a 9.
She's
we have
investigating
the 8.
the other row.
A 10. It's all around those numbers.
It
I'm
is.
telling you. A 4. You have the 3 and the 6. 2, 3, 6. There's a 5. Oh my goodness. They're all good numbers. I just don't have them. And a 29. We have a 28.
All around.
Wow. 22. Chicken legs 11. No, we need 13. Oh, baby 1. We have the 2 and the 3. 18. Nope, we have the 8 and the 28. And a 15. So want on that ticket. Well, you know, can't win them all. Let's see this ticket. This is number 49. Ticket 49, that is.
The second to last ticket in the book, it looks like. Yep.
21.
Second to first. I don't know how they run these tickets in the
And a
machine.
12.
Excuse me.
4. Chicken legs
Here's
11.
11.
7. 7,
Wow.
11. And an 8.
Low
Again,
numbers.
very low numbers. 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, 21.
Yep. Hey, you guys be nice.
We have a 5. No 5. 15. No. 14. No. Baby 1. No baby 1. 28. No. That was on the last ticket. 20. 16. 27. 18. 22.
One off.
Yeah, one-offs. There's the 3. We have the 4. 29, too high. 17, we have a 7. 10, we have an 11. And our last one is a 9. We have the 7 and the 8. So, wah, my favorite tickets. Oh, there goes the snacks.
Yeah, somebody's found the snack bucket.
My favorite tickets, but they let me down tonight. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And I think somebody's going to get her snacks. Did it open?
Oh, it opened. She got about 6.
Oh, that's what she does. She throws them on the floor and they open up. She's such a silly girl.
No, she knows what she's doing.
Yes, she
She's
does.
conniving. It's not silly. She's conniving.
No, she's just hungry.
She's just always.
Always. She eats a lot.
Yes, she does.
Yeah. All right, folks. So good luck with your scratching.